It's an ongoing, just in the same way I said that it started organically and it grew organically. It is literally a daily, hourly process to figure it out. We were no kidding. We were just talking 15 minutes ago about something, and then earlier today, things that needed to be tweaked and ways we have to figure out this journey together. So it's every day we have to recalibrate what we're doing and how we're doing it. First of all, the stuff coming in changes daily. For me, there may be 10 emails a day from influencer jobs, or there's infinite number. I apologize to all the organizers out there if I haven't answered all your emails, but it's a lot. And so we're talking about keeping up with it in a different way and organizing ourselves so that we're not stressed like what Susan was telling earlier, feeling like everybody's working super hard and we're still not getting the results we want, or somebody's not being heard, or you feel like you're doing a lot of work and it's not being recognized, or Ian wants more communication. It's ongoing. To answer your question, it's just Absolutely. Ongoing. Literally just talked about that today. So that's not that easy to answer. It's never perfect. It's just a challenge and an evolution. Although it's not particularly popular these days, integrity is number one.
Absolutely.
Sorry to say that if that hurts anybody's feelings, but integrity is paramount in our family. It's paramount with all the people we have shared time with this week, and it's a little hard to come by these days. And you probably all see it. I know we've talked actually about it a lot over time, and that's probably the single most important thing. Also, the other thing that I mentioned earlier, that you guys are all young, and you will realize this over time, especially when you've invested, and it's not like 1 year down the road or 2 years or 5 years, it may be a decade down the road or so. You'll realize that the relationships that you build, and it could be, hopefully it's a positive one, but it could be something that nags you that happens to be a negative relationship you had at some point. Relationships is everything in life. It's of course there's talent. Of course there's all these other things that are happening in your life that propel you. But relationships are everything, and you will realize that over time. So I mean, there's more, but I think those are two of the most important ones.
Those are the two top. It's very good ones.